see this wire here? That wire, the 101, is a ground wire. What I did was, George, was take out of this wire, connected the black with an MC to the plug on the other side of here. Because there's a pipe in here that goes straight through the wall to the other room, 103. We don't care about that. So I disconnected 103 from here, and I ran a new line, and there's a pipe that goes up this wall, and it comes here, and it comes down here. And this wire right here is a direct ground, and that's what's been shorting out the system. And this wire right here comes from over there, that one, which I just ran power to with our units. So now, you see how they got this? This is crazy, look at this. See that right there? The wire goes up the wall, but it's not us who did it. It was some fly-by-night company. We're not gonna worry about it, and we'll help them fix it. They asked us to. So I'm pushing this back in, and this switch will be done. And this right here goes down the wall, and it comes here, it goes right through here, and it feeds here, right there. I'm gonna put a pigtail there, and then this plug and this plug will work, and then that feeds the microwave and the refrigerator. Problem solved. George, don't you ever forget this. Freddie is a bad motherfucker. I can fix anything. There's nothing I can't fix, George. Freddie is a bad motherfucker. I graduated from the school of badass motherfuckers kicking ass all day and night. There's no one better than us. One day, George, one day. One day. Not now. Not now. Not ever. No. Not now. But one day. One day. Not now. You'll be like me. You'll be like me, graduating from the school of bad motherfuckers always kicking ass. And be able to do what I just did. Troubleshoot that. To discover it there. To follow it there. To realizing that it was all in there. It went through there. So I cut it there. Brought my own power in from our AC power. From our power. From our pipe right there. See that? I brought it in from there. Brought it down there. I made that plug hot. Again, I rewired that plug to make it hot. And then I brought it here. As you know, that we got a 30 amp circuit, double pole breaker. I put 10 on that plug, a 30 amp circuit on that plug, and a 30 amp right here wire. They're not going to use 30 amps. I know it's a 20 amp circuit, but they should have no problems with tripping. And we ran number 10 wire, so we should have no problems at all. And then I ran an MC wire down into the wall to the new plug, which is the one that I showed you. That fuels this switch that turns off and on now, which fuels this TV and everything else. And by the way, this is the Nite Star Hotel. It's a badass hotel, George. Look at the floors. Not to get into it, and look at the bathrooms. I don't want to say nothing else. I just want to say it's a really nice place.